6896. I just lost the knife for the. I lost the knife. I don't know where I put it, but I lost it. And I have to find it because if it fell down, we can actually get cut. Looks like it's not here, but it was somewhere here. Is it the PlayStation 3? Nope. Okay, around here. So if it was here, it might have fell down to the ramps below. Okay, so I'm just gonna get another knife because I lost that one. Thankfully, I have some right here. And push pin fell down. But there's another one on top, so I can just hang it on that one. But if the push pin falls on the floor, you definitely want to search for it and pick it up because you can actually cut yourself. Yes, I just set the knife here. And these are oiled because that prevents them from getting rusted in the packaging from the factory. Right, so we got the knife here, so let's get started with the grab. So we are gonna, so it turns out that this ramp is actually taped to the load bearing beam right there, and then this ramp next to it was taped like that. So yeah. Actually, I need to take the knife out, but careful not to lose it. These knives are dangerous, so you have to kind of be careful. So here, stick the knife into the slot right there. I'm just gonna cut it like that. Ouch. Right. Uh-oh. Looks like I cut it out. There we go.